Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add a Malayalam text in Capcut. Let's begin. Adding a Malayalam text in Capcut is a simple process which is kind of helpful if you're targeting Malayalam speaking audiences. Using Malayalam text can make your content more relatable, especially if you add the Malayalam text. It would give you a personal or cultural touch to your video because it can make your content more accessible to people who are more comfortable reading the language. For you to be able to do that, once you open the CapCut app, I want you to click the project that you are working. In my case, I'm going to be using this project. But if you have already a specific project in mind, just click on it to begin work by clicking this new project. Now, this is going to be my content. I wanted to add a Malayalam text in this video. And for me to be able to do that, there are a couple of ways to do it. Number one option is going to be going to this website called Malayalam Font. All right. And all I have to do, you have the category of translating English to Malayalam, or what we could do is go to the bottom part corner where you can simply click the download to create a text, font style text. So you have all these options: Rebadi, Chanchan, and then Billy. All I have to do is click the download button. For example, I'm going to be choosing the first option. Click on download. And once you're done with it, I need you to quickly switch to CapCut and load the Malayalam font. How? So I'm going to show you. Now, going back to the CapCut, I want you to click the add text right here. And then I want you to go to the fonts. There is a section here that says add font. All right, click on it. And in our previous video, we added a Hindi text. So you might want to check that if you're curious on how to add Hindi text in CapCut. All I have to do is click this plus button. All right. And then locate the downloaded Malayalam text here in the downloads section, which is going to be this one, ML_text Rebathi. I'm going to click on it and then click on open. And as you can see, the font has been downloaded already here. You see this font right here? All right, so we can type in. So please bear with me because I don't know how to type in, say here. All right, so let me click the add text right here. And then the styles, we're going to be going to the fonts. This one right here. All right. Deep lamps. And then we're going to the styles. And there you go. That's going to be the deep lamps. All right. And from there, you can basically go to the styles and choose a different color for your text. Maybe this. So it's up to you. Maybe this one right here. Choose the best color that reflects your brand. But the thing is, that's how you add Malayalam text to CapCut. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.